Hey guys, what's going on? Got some new firearm equipment today from my dad. They're pretty cool. It's just a couple of devices, it's not a lot. It's just a couple of new devices that I got. They're really cool, and I want to share it with you guys, so I'm going to show you what I got. First thing I got is this Edwards pull station. It's a glass brake rod, and it's not, it's a glass brake, my bad. Not the Edwards 270O SBO like that. So this is one of the new fire devices. It's actually a new pull station. So my dad said it was really dusty because it's been in the shop where he found it for years. That's in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Whoopsie. Box. Oh, pack of screws came loose. Alright, here's the new pull station. See right here, here's the glass brake rod, which I'm pointing to. You can see it says pull to break glass, and I don't want to do the break glass, so I'm going to take the glass brake rod out, and I found out how to do that. You can take two of these screws out right here, and you can open the pull station up, and you can take the glass brake rod out, and then you can pull it without having to risk the glass brake. Then my next device that I got is actually a monitor module. It is a Notifier FMM1 monitor module, and these monitor modules are installed at that new student learning center that I told you guys about. And an update on the test video. Thanks for giving me over 300 views, guys. Go ahead and take this out of the vacuum pack. Whoopsie. Here's the cover plate for it. It's got the Notifier logo on it. Here are the instructions. With this, I can probably convert one of my MBG12s into an MBG12LX. But I don't have to. But there are the hex resets. And then there's another one. Okay, so here's the module. See, it's got your address, your 10s, and your 1s digit. And since I get to keep this, I can probably try setting the address on this. Yeah, I can probably convert one of my MBG12s into an MBG12LX. So yeah, so these are my two new devices, new pull station, and a monitor module. Notifier Edwards. Alright? Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll do a demonstration of this pull station when I take the glass brake rod out, because I don't want to break this thing. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys, and like everybody else says, peace.